YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy, your weekend gardener. Wanted to give an update to my Shiranui. I don't know how to pronounce this, but I think it's Shiranui. And it's that orange that has that little bell at the top, that little bump. I had this for the first time when I was in Brazil. That orange was, no lie, that big. It was seedless, and it was actually the best orange that I've ever had. So what I did is I played around with the idea of, do I really want this tree in zone 7? Because I'm going to have to really baby it. And from what my understanding is, this tree can go from 8 to 10 feet. Now, I've had this tree probably about 3 weeks or so, probably about a month. And when I got the tree, it actually had 4 or 5 little oranges on it, and I was kind of impressed by that. And I pondered with the idea of just plucking them off because this tree is too young to hold fruit. But you know me, I don't care. It's nature. The tree does what it's supposed to do. If it's supposed to grow fruit, so be it. If not, it falls off or whatever. Sometimes I just don't disturb nature. But since I've had the tree, this is the growth that I've gotten so far from here on up. And that's pretty good. It's pretty good for this tree. Actually, I bought it out today for the first time because it's going to be about 80 today. And for the next few days. Okay. The report just said it's 83 today. So it's 83, not 80. And I had it in my grow tent for the last, well, ever since I uppotted it into here. Let's see. As you can see, I still have 1 fruit on here, and it has gotten bigger. In my grow tent, I did see 1 or 2 fruit on the floor, so it shedded those, but so far right now it's holding on to this 1 little fruit. Will it make it? I seriously doubt it. As big as that orange was, it's going to snap this. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to intervene a little bit. And if I see it leaning, I'm going to get something to hold it up. Maybe some type of hamlet or something. It's the same thing I did with my Meyer lemon tree. My branches were bent over. I had 22 fruit on it, and I just let the tree do what it's supposed to do. And actually all the fruit were good. I didn't eat all of them, but they came out well. They didn't look too bad at all. And that's just leaving the tree alone. I didn't, I cannot think of the terminology, but I didn't pluck any off. But here it is. This tree is a few months old. So far it's looking good. I need to feed it more nitrogen because the leaves are looking kind of weathered. And I'll give you an update in about 2 months. February, let's see, it's April. I'll give you an update in June on how this looks. Kind of skinny right now. But this is my Shishiro, or Shiranui. Wow, that's a tongue twister. But it's also called, I believe it's called Dekapon. All right. Catch you on the next one.